Dr. L, coming at you from the Chatsworth Psychiatric Institute. My students are watching, and you are watching, and my patient today is one you may be familiar with. It's Hankey. Yes. We have gone through getting to know him. He disappeared for a while, showed up with a dog after doing ayahuasca, and disappearing, becoming a kleptomaniac, some other things. And we're just trying to get to the bottom of what his issues are.
I would love to get to the bottom.
Okay. Today I want to try something called a Rorschach test.
Rorschach?
Yes. And basically what you do is you look at a blob made by ink and you tell me what you see. And it will sort of give me insight into where your focus is in your brain and in your feelings and in your psyche. Yeah. So I want you to look at this ink blot. You're going to tell me what you see in great detail. I'm going to take some notes. Then I'm going to tell you what I see, just to give you perspective on what a different kind of person would see, and we're going to discuss it. Okay?
When you say folk-us, do you mean the royal we-us?
I don't know what you mean.
Folk-us.
You really just need to drop your weird...
Sorry, just the word was
Look
running
at this.
in my
Look
head.
at this, E-Buzz. What do you see? Hold it with your hands. What do you see?
Wow,
yeah.
I'm fascinated by this.
What do you see?
Well, most people would just say it's a blob, but I see a...
Don't you see any pictures in there, or people, or animals?
It's a cross between a ducky and a horsey.
Ducky, horsey.
But there may be Michelangelo's creation of man somewhere in there as well.
That's very complicated.
It's pretty fascinating.
Do you know what I see in there? I see a Tiffany brooch. Yeah, I don't see all those things like ducky and horsey.
Ooh, I see you wearing the Tiffany brooch, but
no,
you're naked.
No, you do not. You saw a ducky and a horsey in the creation.
No, now
of
that
man.
you mentioned it,
we're putting this
let me
down
have
there.
that back. Can I have that back, please?
We go with your...
No. I'd like to take it home.
No.
Please?
No.
Oh, please.
We go with your gut response, E-Buzz. Your gut response was ducky, horsey, creation of man. Okay, so ducky and horsey tells me we're still not getting into your childhood stuff. Did you have a ducky when you were little?
Absolutely.
Did you have a horsey?
Well, I wanted one, but I didn't
You wanted a horsey, you never got it.
Well, how many people are going to get a horse?
I didn't know if you meant a toy horse or a real. You wanted a real
A little hobby horse might have been nice, but...
I had a hobby horse.
And what did you do with it?
Melvin.
Melvin the hobby horse?
Yes, he was my favorite friend growing up.
Did you speak with him?
I did. He spoke often. He was in Appaloosa. And he had a purple bridle. And I rode him everywhere.
Purple bridle Appaloosa. He was Appaloosa.
He was an Appaloosa
Love
hobby
that word.
horse. And my mother took him away when I was 7.
I had a girlfriend once who was sort of Appaloosa. You know, she was loose like an Appaloosa. Is that what they mean by
I was
Appaloosa?
sharing with you a thought from my childhood, and you just went off. And
I like that. It just makes me... It's like that Rorschach. It transmogrifies as you go.
Okay. So what I'm going to say
What did
is
the
that I feel
Appaloosa say to you?
it's kind of a moot point at this point.
Why?
Because you're a self-absorbed person who, even when you want to know something about other people, I don't think you know how to let them in. You do not know how to talk to people. You're just very self-referential. But I think, and if you will not speak for a moment, if you will not speak, that you never got a ducky.
No.
You never...
No, I had a ducky.
You had a ducky.
I had a ducky, didn't get a horse.
But you wanted a horsey.
A horsey, yes.
And I feel like there was a neglect pattern in your childhood. Were there other things you did not get?
Chocolate and
Chocolate?
the ice cream bonbon.
And you were not allowed to have that.
No.
You know, Shirley Temple was not allowed to have chocolate when she was growing up. And I thought that she always wanted it, and she had to eat this fake chocolate thing. And, you know, and I don't think that's a happy childhood. I feel like all of your issues...
She seemed like she had a pretty happy childhood, if you ask me.
Yeah,
I saw her movies, and she seemed very happy at all times.
Those are movies.
That's reality. Come on.
No, those are movies.
Well, for Shirley Temple, it was reality.
So, E-Buzz, please stop talking for a second. I feel like you didn't get what you needed from your childhood. You did not get to have a childhood. Didn't get chocolate, didn't get a horsey. Something's up with your male parent that was very abusive. Yeah, I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it because I know that you will freeze. But ducky, horsey, now we get to the creation of man. The creation of man you saw in this Rorschach blob, in which I see basically a squash blossom inspired turquoise
brooch.
Turquoise and diamond and platinum Tiffany brooch. That's what I see.
Where would you wear the Tiffany brooch?
I would wear it when I go to my seminars in Vegas that I go to.
Would you put it here?
Oh, I see where you're saying. Yeah. No, I think I would probably affix it to a choker. Yes. Anyway,
God, that's very sexy.